and welcome to the Car Barn YouTube channel. I'm Jonathan at the Car Barn. In this video we're looking at something a little bit different at the Car Barn, which is this, the 1967 T1 VW camper, split screen, last year of the split screen models. Importantly, this has got the walk-through cabin. Enables you to get to the living space of the camper much more easily. It's also a deluxe model with some extra windows. The car was a right-hand drive factory from Germany, came over. It was then converted into a Devon Caravette. The great rumour of this is that it was owned by a photographer who was once a photographer for the Pirelli calendar, and he used it to carry his girls around in. We have no evidence as to whether this is true or not. This is what we've been told, but it would explain things like the rear view vanity mirror there, the wardrobe and everything like that. What a wonderful story if it is true. It's been really well looked after over the years. It's had some sympathetic restorations, had a retrim with this lovely cream leather and pipe work, and now it's ready to be enjoyed for the summer.
Oh, and I was so free. I may have been young, but baby, that's not what I wanted to be.
So that's another video done in, as it were. I've been Jonathan at the Car Barn, which is basically in Beamish, and this has been the VW T1 camper. Now, I'm getting a bit tired. I think it's time for a nap. You good? Well, that doesn't work. Tell me when you're done. Have you got it? Yeah.
Whatever you need, baby, you got it from me.